guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the fake nails. This one is, they called it the coffin nail. I don't know why. Maybe it looks, the shape is like a coffin. You know, pang patay. So anyway, so this is what I did to my nails. It's really nice. This one I just add this. This one is they call it the stump, nail stumping, something like that. So anyway, I'm going to teach you how, step by step, how I did my fake nails. So the reason why I'm doing this, because I'm off for maternity, and then you know, for some reasons acrylic nails or fake nails are not allowed, especially to for my job. We're not allowed to wear anything fake. You can just do nail polish but not the fake nails, so it's not allowed. I don't know, for the safety purposes or something, because these are fake and then it will come off, you know, it's embarrassing. Then they will find out one of your nails to the residence clothes or something, so it's not allowed. That's why I'm doing this, because I'm off, so I don't have any problem with that. And then also there's some reasons too. Number one, doing the acrylic nails is really expensive. If you go to the nail salon or something, I think for acrylic nails it will cost you for like $40 for the nails. I'm not sure, 35. Mostly I'm doing the shellac, but because of the shellac it ruined my nails, my natural nails, and I don't like it. It's better to do the nail polish. So it ruins my nails, so that's why I stopped. I think the shellac is okay because it's still your natural nails. It's your nails, it's not fake nails. So shellac is also good, but it will cost you much money for that. Like, how much for the hand? Like 25, and then 45 for the pedicure and for the manicure. So, and then we have to come back for 2 weeks, but it's not necessarily to go back there. They don't force you. It's up to you if you want to go back there to do your nails again. So it's too much. So this one, this is really nice. This is my second day fake nails. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how I did this. It's really easy, really affordable. It's less than $20 with the glue and with this for 500 pieces. So I think you can use that for as many as you want. I think this one will last. I'm not sure how long it will last, but I think this one will last for a week. But still, doesn't matter. If this one will still last you for a week, still good, isn't it? So okay, I'm going to start the tutorial, so just stay tuned and keep watching my fake nails tutorial. Okay, bye. Hi guys, I'm going to teach you how to do the fake nails. This product, I bought it from Amazon for $11.99. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna grab the fake nails, and then I'm going to get the size that it will fit to my nails, to my natural nails. So these are the numbers are from 0 to 9, so each number has 100 pieces each. Okay, I'll pick the size for my nails, and then I'll speed it up so you won't get bored for this. I already picked the size for my nails. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to buff the inside because we need the rough area, so that's why I'm buffing it using the electric drill, because the more rough, the more it will stick the fake nails to your real nails, because we're going to use the glue for that. So that's the technique. I just heard it from somebody. They said if you do buff or you file or whatever you want to do, make it rough, it's better, it holds the glue better. Okay, I already cleaned up my nails, so now we're gonna use the glue that I bought from Shoppers Drug Mart for $5.99. Now I'm gonna start with my finger, and then I'm going to put the glue on to my real nails first, and then all the size that I pick for each fingers, I'm gonna stick the fake nails to my real nails with the glue on. Okay, so that's how I did my nails. I'm gonna speed it up so you won't get bored to this. Okay. Okay, I'm done to my fake nails. Everything is all set. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut my fake nails using the acrylic cutter or acrylic clipper. So I'll just cut it, my fake nails, whatever length, the desired length I want. Okay, I'm done cutting using the acrylic clipper. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna use just the regular nail clipper and cut a little bit because it's a bit long. I want a bit shorter. Okay, now I'm done cutting my fake nails. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to file my nails, my desired shape for that. Okay, I'm going to do my right hand. It's the same process again. Put the glue on and then put the fake nails. So, okay, I'm gonna speed it up again. Okay. Okay, I'm all set. So what I'm going to do, I'll prepare the acetone, get the container, anything container, then get the acetone, just put a little bit. So what I'm going to do is get the brush, synthetic brush, any brush that you can use, or the brush that you have an extra brush, to use that to remove the excess nail polish. So I'm going to use the OPI, just a regular nail polish. So I'm gonna start to put the first coat, and then I'm gonna start with my thumb. Okay. A Xoxo from Shoppers Drug Mart. I'm going to use for my ring finger, for for a change, like for design. So I'm gonna put the first coat for that. to do the second coat. Going to use the sachet top coat. This one is really good stuff for quick drying. Okay, this is the finished look, so I'm all set. I'm done. It's really look nice for a fake nail. So I hope you enjoy watching my tutorial. Okay, thanks.